Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll create a comparison review between these two AI taking note platform, which is ClickUp and Coda. So let's really dive into it. ClickUp is a powerhouse all-in-one work OS that combines task, document, whiteboard, and automation, making it perfect for teams that want to brainstorm and execute projects in the same space. Its whiteboard lets you visually map out ideas and immediately turn them into tasks, which is a huge pro. It also has a strong collaboration tools. The cons are that the interface can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners, and performance can slow down on large board, while some document features like permission feels clunky. Then talking about Coda, on the other hand, turns each document into minimal app, letting you build interactive tables, dashboard, button, and automate workflow with its formula language, a major pro for flexibility and customization. It's great for knowledge management and creating internal tools, and the downside is that its steep learning curve can be overwhelming, and if you're not familiar with formulas, potential performance issues with very large document, and that is less suited for straightforward task management compared to ClickUp. So in my opinion, ClickUp works best if you want a unified workspace where brainstorming flows into your project execution, while Coda is ideal if you prefer building flexible, interactive document and custom tools. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.